Hi guys, this is George here, and today I'm going to show you a new way of building links which can give you high rankings very soon. This is known as social tiered link building. So what will you learn today? Today I'm going to teach you what social tiered link building exactly is, why should we go for it, and what are the advantages. So let's see what it exactly is. Social tiered link building is a unique method of building links to our site by using platforms like Pinterest and Tumblr and then powering those links so that our main site ranks. Google is going social and I will teach you how to use that for your advantage. Since we are already using an authority platform like Pinterest, and as our boards gain page rank over time, our main sites also rank. Consider this, your site. We are building tier 1 Pinterest links, image links. Now these images can either be from different boards or a single board, from different Pinterest accounts or a single Pinterest accounts. The choice is completely yours. Once we have built the Pinterest tier 1 by repinning images of others, and I will show you how you can do that. We will repin all this first tier of images by building a second tier. Now the second tier consists of the repinned images of tier 1 containing your link. Once done, we will build links to our tier 1 Pinterest images via article directories, wikis, web tools, social bookmarking, social blogs like jcow, etc. Once that is done, we will build links to our tier 2 Pinterest images with guestbook submissions, comment links using blog platforms like Drupal, etc. Each one of your image links will have links from article directories. Each one of your tier 2 image links will have links from comments, and as you can see, all the link juice finally gets passed to your own site. And once the link juice starts flowing in, your site will start ranking quickly. From the guestbook submissions and comments, the link juice is going to the tier 2, then to the tier 1, and the tier 1 is already powered by article directories and social bookmarking sites. From there also, the link juice is passing from tier 1 to your site. Okay. Next, what are the benefits of social tiered link building and how it works? Social tiered link building works because we can build as many links as we want in as short a time as possible. It is only called as going viral. Google cannot ban you for going viral on Pinterest. No. So we can use this method to the hilt. We are going to repin images which others have already pinned. It increases the social trust of our pins because we are already using the images that others have used. We will then repin all these images from the first tier, creating a second tier of links. Now to make tiers really powerful, our first and second tier consists entirely of images, but it is not enough to have image links. We have to strengthen those links. We will do that by creating additional links from social bookmarks, wikis, article submissions, etc. I will also teach you how you can generate unlimited unique content to power your image tiers. Yes, it's absolutely free and you can do that, and I will teach you how to do that for free. You need not hire anyone for that. And next I'm going to show you which platforms you have to use for powering your tier 1. Article directory platforms like Article MS, Article Dashboard, Article Friendly, social bookmarking sites like Digg, Blig Bookmarks, social blogs like jcow, Elg, WebTools, and wikis. For our tier 2, we are going to use wikis, blog platforms like Drupal, Joomla, guestbook submissions, and comment links. So, what's in the future? What tutorials I am going to bring to you so that you can go on your mission of building social tier links. I'm going to show you the exact tools, the proper usage. You can use the tools for your destruction, or you can use the tools for ranking high, and the exact method I use to build great tier 1 and tier 2 properties. I will also show you how you can build a following in a particular niche and make thousands of dollars by dominating that niche in Pinterest. Over the coming days, I will also show you step-by-step method on how you can use social tiered linking to the hilt. If you have watched the tutorial so far, I am sure that you would have enjoyed it. You can watch more of them by clicking on the videos right now. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the yellow button now. And please share my tutorials. The more you share, the more I make. See you.